guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tapping onto this video, and today we're gonna be doing like a natural eyebrow tutorial. As you can see from the title, like my eyebrow tutorial is not even that long, like it takes 2 minutes, like period. So let's get straight to it. And I also have like a product that I want to review with you guys. They sent it a long time ago and I've been procrastinating, but we're gonna be doing that together now. And you know what, stick with me and let's get into it. Okay, now I'm gonna be showing you like how my eyebrows look. This is my natural shape of eyebrows. This is how my eyebrows look. I shape my eyebrows, so I don't go to the salon to shape my eyebrows because I don't trust anyone with my eyebrows. So yeah, I do the shaping and all that by myself. Yeah, I use a razor. So yeah, that's it. So we're gonna be doing this, we're gonna fix this. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So yeah, like talking too much on videos where I'm dealing with my face, so I'm just gonna show you like a quick the products that I use. This is beauty treats. I got this from Discount. It was about I think it was 40 something rand. Yeah, you can get that at Discount. I don't know about Clicks, but yeah, I got this at Discount. So yeah, and I'm gonna be using my, where is it? I'm gonna be using my spoolie to brush my eyebrows up like that. And yeah, we're gonna start. So yeah, there's gonna be music playing because I don't want to speak too much. Gonna be reviewing this product. I got this I don't know, but it was a long time ago. So I'm gonna be also reviewing this now, so that because they sent me this thing, and I told myself that I'm gonna make a video about it, but I didn't have time, so this is how the box looks like. Of course, I already opened it to see what's inside, so I'm just gonna be opening it here with you so that you can see what's happening. This is how the box looks like, and they sent me this manual. It's they brought me testers. Yeah, so this is the manual. This is the testers that they sent me. So let's get straight to it. Okay, I got this, and you know guys, like I already opened this to see, you know, how it works, so at least now I can give you good feedback from things that I've tested, you know. Okay, my camera is, you know, not doing the right thing, so I need to, you know, get the right angle. That's it. Okay, so the first one, I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's it starts with a C. I don't know. You tell me. Oh, wait. What's happening to my camera? Okay, yeah, this is it. This is for skin showing signs of dehydration, wrinkles, and collagen deficiency. So basically, I have like, you can put it under the eyes, you know. Okay, what? Okay, good. Under the eyes, just a little product, you know. Of course, they have like bigger bottles, but this is what they sent me for now. Yeah, under the eyes. And then the second one is royal jelly. I want this to be short, so I don't want to take so long here. This is royal jelly. This is for skin showing signs of age spots, pigmentation, wrinkles, dullness, lacking elasticity. So this is what you're gonna use, you know. Ooh, and it has something shiny. Oh my goodness, like it's shiny. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's so shiny, it's so cute. I like it. All right, we're done with that. I've tried most of this stuff, like, so they're very good. And this one is osmotic. For skin showing signs of oiliness, redness, blemishes, stress, or irritation. So this is good for like dehydration also. So this is what you need, you know. That's what I keep my skin, you know. Oiliness, redness, like I'd get redness like over here under my eyes, so I'm gonna start using this, you know. Then the last one is, this is vitamin C and hyaluronic. So this one is for uneven toned skin showing signs of wrinkles, dullness, stress, dehydration, and loss of elasticity. This is what you need. And let me do those stuff, you know, like those. Okay guys, and that's it. I'm done. Okay guys, like they have good products. Like I bought this, it's almost running out. This is the perfume. Like it smells so good, guys. Tell me about it. This is good. Like this is good. Man, this smells good. This smells so good. Like it smells so good. And I have this, so you know, this is my lip gloss. This is my go-to lip gloss. I love this so much. This is close to my heart because I can't do anything without it. Like, it's so good. As you can see, I changed my setup because the sun was running away. You know, I like this glow, you know, so yeah. But this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much. If you loved my eyebrow tutorial, please like this video, share it with your friends. And you know what, all the products that I bought, you know, they're not that expensive, you know. You just need that dual thing. It's 40 something rent at discount. You can go get it, guys, and your eyebrows are slayed. Like period. Like, okay, now I can just go to the mall. Like, it's just lip gloss and some eyebrows and we look good. You know what, you're beautiful, you know that. So that's the end of the video. Thank you so much, and guys, I'll see you on the next video. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell when I post a video so that you know when I post a video, okay? Because like it didn't make sense what I just said, but you know, we're just gonna keep it cool and, you know, bougie. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much, guys. I love you.